Okay, all right, language explorers. Let's look at today's noun on Monday. Monday noun. Let's look at this one here. Development. Development. The process of growing, changing, or building. Things are growing and developing from one thing into another. One thing into another. Developing. Like, look at this building here. It's growing and building and changing. That development was expensive. Expensive. This is a new development. Yeah, a new development. And without these developments, the city will be worse off. Worse. So look, development, singular. Developments with an S, plural, 2+. There are a lot of developments across the city. A lot of developments across the city. The more you look, the more developments you will see. Developments here, development. This is developing, that's being developed, and beyond. How cool is that? So, they developed it last year. That stadium was developed, well, recently. It was developed, finished being developed. Like here, is developing and finished developed. That was developed by them. These were developed by them. So all these here were developed by him or by them. This lesson was developed by me. I had the idea. I planned it all out. I wrote the lesson. I wrote all the lesson. I edited it, looked through it again. Any mistakes, any errors. And now I'm recording it. And now it's online. How cool is that? So I developed the lesson. Turned from an idea into a video. How cool is that? So our project is developing as planned, on schedule. It is developing as expected. These developments are happening as planned, as hoped. Yeah. It is developing easily. Developing easily. How cool is that? So do you think the development will work? Do you think that development will work? It's hard to say. Maybe, maybe not. Of course it might work. But that development will finish on time. That development will finish on time. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I will need to develop more lessons. The developments will take some time. Take a while. Take weeks and months. Weeks and months. Yeah, it is not an overnight development. It will take some time. Yeah, it'll take time. Yeah. How cool is that? It'll take time for things to change. But language explorers, how cool is that? Development. So, process of growing, changing, or building. So, can you use development in your own sentence? Can you? Comment below. Comment below. And subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.